Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Chase Ultimate Rewards points to United Mileage Plus. First, make sure you have an eligible Chase card like Sapphire Preferred, Sapphire Reserve, or Business Preferred. Then, if you don't have a United Mileage Plus account yet, go to united.com and create one. Make sure your name matches exactly with your Chase account to avoid any transfer issues. Now, log into your Chase account and open your Ultimate Rewards dashboard. Tap on Travel, then choose Transfer to Travel Partners. Select United Airlines, then enter your Mileage Plus number. If you haven't already, link it. Now, just enter the number of points you want to transfer. Remember, it must be in increments of 1,000. Review the details and click Submit to complete the transfer. Your points should appear almost instantly in your United account. And that's it. That's how to transfer Chase Ultimate Rewards points to United Mileage Plus. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.